Hello Tesla family, hope you are all doing well. Due to multiple requests I have received about additional discounts for hand shows accessories for Tesla Model 3 and Y, I have worked with the company to increase the total discount to 20% for a limited time if you want to make a purchase using my code Shiva Tesla at the checkout. That is a pretty significant discount and applies to almost all the products they have on their website. For example, the new 9-inch Linux instrument cluster display with Apple CarPlay drops to under $400 with this discount. I'm not sure how long it will be active for, but should be good for at least a few weeks. If you're new to Handshow products, they make very unique and practical accessories for Tesla, especially for Tesla Model 3 and Y. Here are a few highlights of the products we have recently reviewed from Handshow, and they are all part of the new 20% discount using the discount code Shiva Tesla. We recently reviewed this real carbon fiber dash. This dash is a direct replacement of your existing wood dash, and it comes with the entire panel. This is not a cover. It is made from a real dry carbon fiber. It comes with both gloss and matte finish. You can also purchase the side door trim panels for the newer Teslas. With the 20%, the exact finish that I got would cost you $460, down from $575. We also very recently reviewed these Frunk RGB lights that are really easy to install and provide some great benefits. You can control these lights using your phone and can synchronize with several different colors, patterns, and even music. Another recent product we reviewed from Handshow are these front sequential fog lights. These lights are direct replacement of the existing OEM lights, and they make a huge difference on your car. In addition to being brighter than the OEM lights, you now have additional turn signal functionality in the front. Speaking of additional turn signals, you can also check these rear bumper lights from Handshow. Tesla only includes reflectors in the back, and this accessory allows you to add functional lights in this space. These lights have turn signal functionality in addition to steady red brake light. This practical swivel mount have been working really great for us. It allows us to find an optimal angle to view the center screen, and not only it rotates left and right, but it also goes up and down to really optimize the screen level. I have a detailed step-by-step instruction video in our channel, so be sure to check that out. Some of the other exciting accessories from Handshow include automatic doors, where the two front doors automatically open and close for you using the app, using the brakes. There's a multiple modes to open and close these doors. The soft door close to prevent slamming of your doors. Automatic power frunk, which is very practical for many reasons. The automatic power trunk with kick sensor is great for grocery shopping. These wide angle mirrors show a lot more than the OEM mirrors for a safer ride. The Yoke Wheel to enhance your driving experience, and so many more accessories we have reviewed from Handshow in this channel over the years. If you want to get some great deal on these accessories, please go through the link in the description and use the discount code Shiva Tesla during checkout. If you have any questions about any of these accessories, please let me know in the comment section below. We have several high-profile accessories to review here in the near future. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you all. I'll be back again with another Tesla video soon.